Hey guys, I'm going to be reading to you your days 17 through 18 review book assignment for pages 131 to 132. I apologize, my toddler daughter decided she was going to try and use this as a coloring book, so please bear with me. Wind. Horizontal movement of air parallel to Earth's surface is called wind. Wind is a type of field called vector, because it requires a magnitude of direction to totally describe it. So as usual, I'm going to be underlining important information and making some text annotations. Wind speed. Winds are caused by differences in air pressure, which are often caused by changing atmospheric conditions to temperature and water vapor content. Figure 7.4 illustrates the cause of wind using local land and sea breezes as an example. The difference in air pressure for a specific distance is called the air pressure gradient. The closer together the isobars on a weather map are, the greater or steeper the pressure gradient. The greater the pressure gradient, the faster the wind speed. An instrument called an anemometer is used to describe wind speed. Wind speed is measured in miles per hour and knots, or nautical miles per hour. 1 knot equals 1.15 miles per hour. Thus, 5 knots equals about 5.75 miles per hour. Wind direction. Air, wind, moves from areas of high pressure to low pressure. So I'm just going to write that down. Wind moves high to low pressure. However, the Coriolis effect caused by Earth's rotation modifies that pattern of movement, deflecting winds to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Figure 7.7 illustrates how wind directions are modified by Earth's rotation. A wind is named for the direction from which it comes. For example, a wind blowing from the south toward the north is a south wind. A wind blowing towards the southeast is a northeast wind. The direction the wind is coming from. So I'm going to underline that. An instrument called a wind vane or weather vane is often used to determine wind direction. The arrowhead of a wind vane points into the wind, that is, it points in the direction that the wind is blowing from. Formation of waves on surface water. Wind blowing over bodies of water creates friction where the air and liquid water meet. The friction transfers energy from the wind to the body of water and produces waves. The stronger the wind, the higher the waves. These energy waves move out from the area where they are produced and toward land where the energy results in wave erosion at shorelines. Review questions number 18. As the pressure gradient increases, wind velocity decreases, increases, or remains the same. Number 19. The following map represents a portion of an air pressure field at Earth's surface. At which position is wind speed lowest? A, B, C, or D? Number 20. In the northern hemisphere, a wind blowing from the south will be deflected towards the 1. Northwest, 2. Northeast, 3. Southwest, or 4. Southeast. Number 21. Which cross-section best shows the normal movement of air over Oswego, New York on a very hot summer afternoon? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 22. The weather element determined by an anemometer is pressure, humidity, visibility, or wind velocity. Number 23. Winds blow from regions of high temperature to regions of low air temperature. 2. High air pressure to regions of low air pressure. 3. Low temperature to regions of high temperature. Or 4. Low air pressure to regions of high air pressure. Number 24. Which is not true about wind? 1. Wind direction is named for the direction toward which wind blows. 2. Wind moves from regions of higher pressure to lower pressure. 3. The steeper the gradient, the greater the wind speed. Or 4. Wind is horizontal movement of air.